Hi, Kings and Queens. Saundra Fenwick, your mortgage consultant, coming on to talk to you about student loans. Now, I know Uncle Biden and Uncle Joe was supposed to get us some relief for our student loans, but that has been put on hold. I was excited about that because a lot of people cannot get approved for a home loan because of their student loan payment. Now, a lot of people think that, oh, I'm in deferment or I'm in forbearance, I don't pay anything. We still have to calculate that student loan into your debts, and that becomes a part of your debt to income ratio. So a lot of times that may push you over the limit and you can't get the house that you want. So the student loans are very, very important. We were luckily, FHA had changed their guidelines last year to instead of us using 1% of your balance, we can now use 0.5% or whatever is shown on your income-based repayment plan. Now, the conventional loans, the Fannie and Freddie loans, they had already had that implemented, but FHA is now on board. So all of the loans, for the most part, all of the traditional loans have that guidelines. So just imagine if you went to school for a while, you're an accountant, attorney, a doctor, and you have 100,000 plus in student loans, then 1% of that balance would be $1,000 a month. So just imagine adding $1,000 a month to your other debts. That you can see how that could affect your debt to income ratio. So a lot of people, when I ask them, do you have a income-based repayment plan? And they don't know what that is. So I said, let me do a video about income-based repayment plans. What that is you call your student loan servicer and you say, hey, I want to see if I can qualify for an income-based repayment plan and what my payments will be. So a lot of times, if you're just getting out of college or you're just getting started in your career, your income may be lower and you may qualify for a $20, $30 a month payment, or maybe $132 a month. So just imagine that $1,000 or now $500, because it's only 0.5%, goes down to $132. That will qualify you for a lot more house than going with the standard guidelines of the 0.5%. So I implore anybody to, if you have student loans, go to your servicer, whomever is holding your student loans. That could be Navient or any of those other ones, and you ask them about a student-based, income-based repayment plan, and they can let you know what your payment will be if you go on this plan. And then once you get on the plan, you can go ahead and give us the income-based repayment letter, and we can use whatever's on that letter as your monthly payment going forward. Even if you're in forbearance, even if you're not repaying yet, we can still use that letter as your monthly payment. So if you have questions about student loans and how that affects you getting a home, just give me a call. You have my cell phone, 301-326-7555. Thank you guys for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye.